Open up your head.
We can remember swimming in December, heading for the city lights. 975, we sharing each other.
It is day 2, getting ready to get some coffee. We set up some mount points on the camera.
What?
How are you planning to make a custom? Sunglasses.
That's like some 1,000 something pressure.
That was a lot of pressure.
I think it's the one on your actual pump right there.
Oh, really?
You wear gloves.
Huh? Full more.
Can you remember in human life? It was to where we'd energize. I understand and visualize like it's 75 again. We are the people who rule the world. We're floating in every point, girl. Or rejoicing in the world. Taking
Go a little bit wider.